Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cybersecurity training program with Udemy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by logging into your Udemy instructor account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by signing up on the Udemy website. Once logged in, click on the Create a Course button on your dashboard. Select your course type based on your target audience and training goals. Choose Professional for a standard course or Business for corporate training programs. Next, fill in your course title. Make sure it reflects the essence of your cybersecurity training. Write a compelling course description. Highlight the key topics you will cover and the skills learners will gain. Set the course objectives clearly. This helps students understand what they can expect and achieve. Now, it's time to structure your course content. Outline the modules and lessons you wish to include. Consider breaking down the training into bite-sized sections. This helps maintain learner engagement and comprehension. Create video lectures for each section. Ensure your explanations are clear and concise. Make use of visuals and infographics to enhance learning. Include quizzes or assessments after each module. This helps reinforce the concepts taught. Consider adding downloadable resources, like cheat sheets or guides. These can provide added value to your students. Next, upload all your materials to the Udemy platform. Review your content for quality and coherence. Once everything is uploaded, set a price for your course. Research similar courses to determine a competitive pricing strategy. After pricing, fill out the promotional details. This includes your course thumbnail and promotional video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.